I don't know about you, but I love a festive cocktail. But I don't always love all the calories and sugar that comes with it because we're already snacking and eating so much during the holiday season. I get a sugar rush from some of those crazy sugary drinks. So I wanted to share with you a cocktail that I love having over the holidays that is a little lighter on the side of sugar. And just for the record, this is not a PSA to have less sugar. You do you. I am just sharing with you a cocktail that I love. All right, let's get started. I have a couple items here and I am starting simply with ice cubes and a couple frozen cranberries because what doesn't scream a holiday cocktail than frozen cranberries, am I right? Now this cocktail I have tried several times in different ways and it can easily be made with vodka, tequila, or gin. Those three all go perfectly well for this cocktail. Not together, either or. So today I'm gonna decide to have a gin cocktail. And should we measure? Nah, free pour. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Woohoo! I mean, I could just drink gin on ice. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, but we're making a cocktail. So up next, this is the sugariest part of the drink, but we are literally only gonna do 1.5 ounces of orange juice. And the next part is going to be cranberry juice. And I've got the diet version. I know people don't like that word, but it only has 10 calories in what, 1 whole cup. So, oh my gosh, this is really hard to carry and pour. Oh, I don't usually do this on camera. Ooh, but we're gonna do 3 ounces of this. Woo! Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm deserving this drink when I'm done because I did not spill that. That was really hard to pour. Okay, last but not least, the final item is something sparkly. Aha. Now, I've got Mary Berry. I have tried this with any kind of sparkling water. You could simply just add soda water. You could use lime or lemon flavored. Well, maybe not lemon. I would go lime flavored soda water. But I mean, raspberry, cranberry, any of the berry would work just fine. And I don't measure. I just top up after that to finish off my drink. Oh, one tip I want to give you. Oh my gosh, that is good. Okay. If you want to make this for an event where there's lots of people, feel free to measure out your liquor with your cranberry juice and orange juice in a bigger bowl. Just triple it up or quadruple it up for multiple people or make a whole batch. And then don't add your sparkling water. Let people put a little bit of that mixture on ice and then top up the sparkling water as the night goes on. That way the bubbles stay bubbly because flat bubbly, I don't know. That doesn't sound good. Sorry, I keep drinking this, but I should just say, hey, thank you for watching The Silly Kitchen. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and that there's a cocktail in your future. Till next time.